हेलो गाइस, क्या आपको पता है कि इंडिया के फेमस चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स कौन से हैं? आइए जानते हैं।
So the first one is T.N. Manoharan. He has been awarded with Padma Shri for the amazing work he has done in his profession. T.N. Manoharan is one of the best CA in India, who was also awarded with Indian of the Year award by CNN. Second one, Naina Lal Kidwai. She is the first Indian female to graduate from the renowned Harvard University. At present, she is the country head and group manager of HSBC in India. Third one, Kumar Mangalam Birla. We all know him as the chairman of the renowned Aditya Birla Group, which is one of the biggest conglomerate corporation of the country. Fourth one, Piyush Goyal. He is the popular as the Ministry of the Government of India for Power, Coal and New and Renewable Energy. He has even achieved the second rank all over India across the country in the CA final examination. Fifth one, late Sri Rakesh Junjunwala ji. He has brought the glory to the profession of CA by managing his portfolio, and that's why he is also known as Indian Warren Buffett. Sixth one, Deepak Parekh, the chairman of HDFC India. Deepak Parekh has been on various non-executive and executive directorial positions in many companies. He has also been a recipient of many prestigious awards. Seventh one, TV Mohandas Pai. He has been awarded as the best CFO in India and has worked with Infosys for over 10 years. He is also known for formulating the very first publicly articulated financial policy for the organization.